At AIMS, we've known for a long time that if we engage fully with traditional owners of the places where we work and we partner with them in the work that we're doing, we can really increase the value and the impact of the research that we do. Basically, we do better science. And it's a great example of how the whole is much greater than the sum of the parts. We really want traditional owner partnerships to be at the core of what we do at AIMS. And so we're planning some research here in the Keppel Islands, and with our new way of doing business, that means that we need to talk to the traditional owners of the place. And in this case, we're here on Woppaburra country. And we're identifying in this workshop lots of opportunities where the Woppaburra people can participate in the work. We're planning some training and capacity building and their Indigenous identified traineeships. And then at the end of that 12-month traineeship, those people will be employed in this project as aquaculture technicians, propagating corals that will be used in this proposed research.
Things like this is important, coming together, and it shows us young people that, you know, we all should be working together. It's not just our land, it's all of Australia's land. So it's very important that we get to know what's going on and working towards just a better future for the environment, just on this island and surrounding mainlands.
Well, in the future, I was thinking maybe I could get a good job and maybe they could study marine biology and then come back to the Great Keppel Islands, go along with AIMS and probably learn more about it in schoolwork, and so I can care for this country. Our generation isn't just here for decoration, we're here to do something and to make what our elders had spoken to us and told us to do. So yeah, I want more jobs and more opportunities for our young people to, you know, come and work on their own country and see and have the feel of, well, this is my home.